I joined the edible demonstration garden because I like growing vegetables. They're my favorite thing to do outside. And this demonstration garden allows me to do that. We have 2,400 square feet. We grow a variety of different vegetables, and the purpose of it is to show the public how to do a variety of different ways of growing vegetables.
I love succulents. I mean, you can kind of see from my garden that this is a type of plant that I really appreciate. I volunteer every Monday at Falkirk at the demonstration gardens, and I chair the Falkirk succulent sale. It's an annual sale, and we raise money for maintaining the garden. And it's not just the succulent garden, it's maintaining all of the demonstration gardens.
I became a master gardener as soon as I moved to Marin. I had been in the city doing a lot of volunteer work, and I moved up here and didn't really know very many people. And I wanted to find a way to get involved in the community and to make a new community. So that's why I got involved in the Master Gardeners.
UC Marin Master Gardeners, like Raul, Lillian, James, and me, became Master Gardeners to learn more about gardening and also to share our knowledge through the many volunteer opportunities available within our organization. All UC Marin Master Gardeners are trained by horticultural experts and by researchers from the University of California to give gardeners science-based advice and information. We help gardeners save water, choose the right plant for the right place, and discover how to create and care for earth-friendly gardens. We want to protect Marin's unique plant communities, our wildlife, the environment, and our natural resources. The Marin Master Gardener Training Program begins in January and runs through the spring. We study botany and plant pathology, insects, weeds, irrigation, soil testing, composting, growing edibles, and much, much more. We also begin giving back to the community through our volunteer programs immediately after we finish our training. There are so many projects to choose from. It doesn't take long to meet the required volunteer hours, plus it's so fun. Volunteers answer questions at the help desk and at farmers markets. They visit homeowners to help them learn the best ways to irrigate their gardens. Volunteers also create and maintain our demo gardens and consult on community and school gardens.
At the help desk, you just never know what's going to come in the door. You get so many diverse questions. I love helping people find answers to their problems and questions, and so I worked at the help desk, and I really loved the help desk, but my journey took me on to public seminars, leadership, and then to VP of Outreach on the board. But I'm coming full circle because I really want to get back to the help desk. I really love the help desk. I feel it's the cornerstone of our outreach projects.
I do a couple of projects with the Master Gardeners. My favorite is the one I first started with, which is Harvey's Garden. It's a demonstration garden in southern Marin, and it's very visited because it's near a popular biking and hiking path right along the bay. And so we get lots of questions from folks and lots of appreciation, which is really nice. I also write for the Marin IJ, and I also do public seminars on bees.
I joined Master Gardeners because I was helping in my kids' school in the garden, and I needed help. I needed to, be better, you know? And so that's how I started researching, and that's how I learned about the program and I applied. So right now, my volunteer projects are still working with the kids at the school garden at the Cove School. And I love that project. I love seeing the kids coming in and the excitement about the garden, the excitement about seeing any bugs. Another project that I'm very excited about, it's helping translating the webpage in Spanish because I'm from Argentina, and so there's something that I can add and we can reach to more people the best, no? And I'm like very excited about that.
After graduation, Master Gardeners continue learning through classes, lectures, presentations, and special interest guilds where we can dive deep into our own gardening passions.
When I see a shrub or a tree, I view my role as a pruner as someone who removes to reveal its essence, its internal beauty. I have always wanted to become more expert at pruning. So the Master Gardener program offered me the opportunity to develop an expertise that I've always wanted, but then to be in an organization that allows me to give it back.
As a Master Gardener, I really enjoy sharing the knowledge that I've gained on horticultural best practices, both through the education that the Master Gardener program provides, as well as through my own curiosity. So we know that wildland fires are becoming a threat to Marin County, and we've learned a lot about what it takes to create defensible space. And so I found that it was not only important, but very rewarding to start to engage with Marin residents to help them understand that they can continue to have a beautiful, healthy, thriving garden that's also defensible, so that it will help protect their homes if wildfire were to come into the area where they live.
All the information that I've learned through the Master Gardener program has totally transformed the way I garden. From the way I manage the soil to the way I manage the blossoms. I don't use chemicals at all anymore and have no need for them. It's just amazing what the program has done.
I love the outreach that we give to the public, and I love doing research and trying to find the answers for people. I also love the community within. I've made a lot of friends, and I've gained a lot of knowledge, and I feel like it's really enriched my life.
What I like the most about Master Gardeners are the people. It's a great group. They're very smart, they're very interested, they are explorative, and they too are interested in giving back to the community.
I firmly believe that if more people were gardeners, the world would be a better place, because in gardening, you interact with the planet. And so I think that interaction creates respect for it, and then a sense of responsibility to take care of it.
If you enjoy volunteering and love gardening,
If you want to share your gardening knowledge with other people in Marin,
Sign up for the Master Gardener Training Program.
And become a Master Gardener.
So join us.
We are Master Gardeners.